Hello, my name is Kyle Furtick and welcome to my senior project. Through College Credit Plus at the University of Akron, I've had the opportunity to study to become an engineer. And one thing I found engineers do far more than any other profession is problem solve. Now, I've wanted to be an engineer since elementary school when I worked with some friends to design a very flawed solar-powered computer charger. But this project was enough for me to choose to pursue the STEM curriculum from middle school on at the NIF-STEM Middle and High School. I problem solve on a daily basis in this curriculum, and my current project involves speeding up the production of sleeping mats my church makes for the homeless. My church has been a huge part of my life in high school, and I began attending mission trips over the past few years which have helped shape who I am today. The incredible amount of support for those in need my youth group has witnessed from these organizations on mission trips have led us to encourage our congregation to increase the outreach coming from our church. This loom I am creating alongside another senior, Ian Kaufman, is just one example of this movement. A loom works by feeding a very long piece of string through a V formed by two sets of tension string. Switching the places of the two sets of string locks in place the string fed through the V, and then the long piece of string can be fed in the other direction. This repetition of feeding the string back and forth creates the mat. Down here, I have a small version of our loom design. You can see the V formed by the two sets of string. Now, normally, this long piece of string would be wrapped in a spool, but moving the board down locks it the last weave in place. Then, I can take the long piece of string and put it through the new V to create the new weave. This stationary board is set at a height where the moving board can move above and below it to create a V in either direction. Weights on the back of the loom keep tension in this string, and when the mat is complete, the sets of string next to each other are tied together to hold together the finished product. This loom is specially designed to create plarn, string made out of plastic bags. This material reduces waste, is water resistant, provides support when laid on, and is very strong with a tight enough weave. The large-scale loom has 7 strands of string in each set for a total of 14 strands of string for the long piece to pass through. 14 individual weights keep uniform tension in the string. The loom is 8 feet long, 4 feet wide, and creates a mat roughly 6 by 3.5 feet, large enough for the average person to lay on. Working on this loom applies all the skills I learned through my experience in APS's STEM curriculum. Critical thinking is used in picking the most effective design mocked up in Autodesk Inventor, a 3D modeling software. The scientific method is used in finding materials to lower the coefficient of friction between the string and the boards. The engineering design process is used in determining how to move forward the project. And I've learned a lot of documentation skills through writing lengthy reports and presentations for a multitude of extracurricular projects. Finally, my knowledge of putting creations together would be very small without my position as a captain on a combat robotics team. The loom is expected to lower the assembly time of the mats from 40 hours down to just 3. All mats have been hand crocheted for the past 3 years, at least until the time this loom is complete. But following the success of this loom, Ian and I will be pursuing a new system to speed up the creation of plarn. Greatness stems through me because of the problem solving I've done throughout the STEM program at APS. I'm using my knowledge to help others, and I plan to continue doing so in a variety of ways after I receive my degree from the University of Akron. I keep this business card here in my wallet. It was from Medallion Outreach. This organization I visited as a freshman was the first experience I had with mission work in the church. And when I look at it, I know that I want to do something in my life to help those who need it. You can check out the progress of the Loom project on the blog page of this website and find out more information about the Loom by clicking the background tab above. Thanks for watching.